Hi, my name's Heena. While attending university, doing psychology, I'm also doing a professional plumbing course with access training. I knew this job was very male. So at the start, I felt intimidated. I was honestly so lucky to have the group. They were all so friendly, so welcoming. And the trainer, Ryan, he never made me feel like I was less than anyone else. He made me realize I can do this. My ideal day would look like psychological wellbeing practitioner, part-time, and then have my own little plumbing company. I enjoy doing both jobs. My degree is going to make someone's mental health better. I do enjoy that. But then the plumbing course, it makes me happy. It's very rewarding. It's a job that a robot can never take over. I want to wake up the next day thinking, right, I'm doing a job that I love. Yeah.